this is an unboxing and first setup of this Philips Hue motion sensor. Of course, you got the Philips Hue branding right on the box there. Front of the box, like side of the box now. And the back of the box has some more specifications in different languages. And of course, it comes with a sensor and 2 times AAA batteries. And this is the specifications here. It's a ZigBee certified product. Nothing really on the bottom here, so let's just get to the unboxing itself and cut through this seal right there with my little unboxing knife, like so. And let's have a closer look what's in the box. This little plastic hanger here. Let's just throw this to the side and have a closer look at the motion sensor itself here. Comes in this nice plastic wrapping, of course, with some quick start instructions. Just telling you quickly how to set it up in different languages. Of course, try the sensor before you mount. That's always a good thing. Make sure it's working. And of course, a little safety instructions template right there. It's from 2017, so I guess this has been on the shelf some time now. Here's the sensor itself, made all by plastic, but it does have some weight to it. You can see the sensor part in the front right there, the motion sensor and the light sensor, and on top of this, nice design, I think. Very small and understated design. Philips branding at the top. Nothing else around the device there. On the back, you got some branding and all kinds of writing on there, and you got a little tab right there to pull to activate the device. Activate the batteries, which is already installed, but let's just try and disassemble this and see how it actually looks inside of this little sensor right there. Of course, one screw, take it out, and then you can flip out the back cover here. You can see it's metal inside, because the mounting bracket you mount this with is magnetic, so it will hold in place like that. And of course, you can see the batteries right there. Philips branded batteries, of course. Nothing else really in here. Let's just screw this back plate back on here. The battery should last between 2 to 3 years, so it's pretty long lasting. Not something you're gonna change often. But this is the little bracketing, or the little mounting bracket. Very, very small little magnet right there, where you can put your screw into the middle of it, and it's made of this very soft rubber. And of course, just magnetically connects to the sensor right there. You can put it on different angles, and you can see here it does have quite a nice fit on there. I'm trying to shake it off, and really it's going nowhere, so the magnet is very strong. Also comes with 2 lengths of screws and a plug as well, if you're going to put it into a supporting wall or a carrying wall. So yeah, let's just get to the mounting process. I'm gonna put this in my hallway right up here, so that the light will come on in the evening time in the hallway and the bathroom, so I don't have to fiddle around with the switches when I go into the bathroom at night. So yeah, this place seems to be perfect. I'm gonna use the long screw right there, and I'm just gonna screw it straight into the wall, because this is not a carrying wall. It should be able to screw in nicely right there. And of course, make sure it's nice and tight without, of course, over tightening the screw. You can see here it sits very nicely right there. And of course, remove this little tab here to activate the device, and just connect it at whatever angle you want it connected at. I'm just gonna connect it like so. But you can see now the little lamp is flashing, indicating that it's ready to pair with the Philips Hue app. So let's just open up the app on my iPhone XS Max. The process should be the same on Android, but this is of course iOS. Let's just add a new accessories and then go down to the Hue motion sensor. And you can see the LED is blinking. So let's just press the button. LED is blinking and searching for the sensor. This just gonna take a few seconds for it to actually find the sensor. You can see right there, it turned green, the LED on the sensor itself. And now I just have to select which room this sensor is resting. And it's of course in the hallway right there. and place a sensor so it covers the entrance of the room. Yes, and let's just hit setup. You can see right there at the bottom it says hallway sensor. Let's click on that, and you can see right here you can set up the sensor to work in whatever room you would like. Of course, I've selected hallway, but I'm also gonna use this in the bathroom, and I'm gonna set up the specific time of the day where and what kind of light I would like to use. I'm just gonna use dimmed. I think nighttime is a little too low brightness for me, and you can set up how long time it will take for the device to turn off if there is no motion, and of course set up the motion sensitivity and the daylight sensitivity as well within the app. When done with all the settings here, of course just hit save, and then let's just get to the testing part and see if this sensor actually works. First, of course, turn off all the light in the hallway. I will go out, close the door, and then come back in and see if it will actually turn on to the brightest settings, which I've set it to in the app. So I'm opening the door now, and let's just see. Yeah, after a second or so, the light does come on, turns on to the brightest settings, and the bathroom as well is turned on. And let's just turn off again and have a quick test and see if it will actually turn on again. Closing the door, and let's try and open the door again and see if it actually does work. And you can see it just takes a second or so to actually turn on. But yeah, working just fine. Setup is pretty easy, and so far I've been pretty happy with this setup. Now I don't have to fumble around with switches during nighttime when going to the bathroom. That's it for this video. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.